For me, bomb in some of the intini say, why yard say what so dear now do a feed at Adom TV. Any apostle Dr. Anita Koto, you better Muntio, oh, Cranshamra. Any Shirama, who fears soon more than so, and you ajubre. Bushia and 2 years and coye, dear, where Juma Waria no sick as some ye didn't be jar war. And that's so a shabre. And I've come with something. Live fully in the moment. Live fully. And the day a crowd. Now, as someone hear me that me sorry, I make kind Bible say, this is the day I have made. Rejoice and be glad. And me there, as someone hear me there, and then a dama yama we could fit on me to take away. Moaninyi na dia will see when them. Rejoice and be glad. As someone I make a chair, how can I rejoice? And how can I be glad? Maybe some who ask them, we say, when you mean what some say, why another day I'm a sermon in Yemen will see. Now, then I may have media will see. I said, Mammy, you're free and right, I'm a fair mono. I said, Ma, obidia, yeah, me the channel. It is a media, dear Trama Kuma Mune. I said, me two and right, actually. Now, me turn and be say, and ne. Dear na me de mani beto so a meyo a ene be wie awiepa asene nra. Focus and discipline are the two main things. I need to have the discipline of a military man. Ese me hihye ma brabo se osere ne a me gina okwan no. Emfa ho ne me fa mu nra. Emfa ho ne ye ka kire me nra. Emfa ho de ye me nra. Ma jam ma jai the past. Ese se nra de me di mu a ebe ha me. Simple bi wo nra mu a me ya me suan ade wa fi nra mu. Dina me yo ya sinto bae a enko babium na me nka dia wo de ka kire me se empo me driver wo hia me kwamu a wo ye me wasem a me da chao fakọ wo na wo bo hu dua se wo hia pere mu ti se me otwa ma no enti nyama asem na wo kan ye nyama asem da de yo me de wo say dey na me ye ne na me nya hoto and your friend say this is the day I have made, rejoice and be glad in it. What can you do today? What ways are you going to think about today for you to be rejoiceful, and to be glad? There are thoughts you will think that will make you sad. Don't entertain them in your mind. Adwimi wo a obetwa go adwimi pro so na day. Ena na no Ghana edin ena we say jai say wo ye omama ohene e wo Ghana nyina and think about you. Focus on yourself. There are times you need to focus on you. What am I doing today to make me glad? What am I doing today to let me rejoice? Oh no, you don't know. What am I doing today to let my wife rejoice? What am I doing today to make my husband rejoice and be glad, and my children? That's your focus. And then when you know, and then they cry, well, make sure you are living today at your best. Satara Basha, Satara Fe, if I'm to us a bro, Yamra Basha. Oh no, say, we dear so, said they be fata one. What I say? Na Pesubaya, I mean, no means to come eba. Wow, no. Na Pesubania, Ubenya, a bebwa war. And then they ne crammy. Onyamisi minia will see, na mamma ni womu. And your man na me catch them home adwen proso. Abama dear will see, if any positive affirmation. And I be also there. Unim ready, Nemum koto, Nabom pie, we are. Young Shady Macacho say, ah, me safata. Me your mamma. And then me see ye dear quanso. And then Adom na Edom me, and then a shan never jaremia. And then empo. Onyame de me fa kwampa so a me wie na day. Speak positively about your life. Don't say, hey, and that's my sorry, a bad you, a free aquajumamu, hey, traffic, hey. Don't start your day with anxiety. Start your day with words that will create joy and gladness in your heart. Ah, me kwajuma ko share santoa, a bad dekeke, because share empo frank, a bad fekeke, because share a jampedu, a bad pemukeke. I'll be glad even for the people I'm going to meet in my life. was an apparent with him or Baba Marini, me fear ko pempna, and more day in Koye. The crown a day, my own so. Naka sempa efa the crown neho. Na pen Kenya be Kenya war, na penyan san be brother. This is the day the Lord has made for you. Do things that will make you rejoice and be glad. You can't say rejoice in first room, if you near, if you are juniper, any empo susiepa, any subemu. So you make us say be glad. Gladness no, and you should better go abroad. So gladness comes as a result of the way you are thinking. A glad day comes as a result of the things you'll be doing. So do things that will make your day glad at the end of the day. Do your best. What I say, what idea? So now, when you customers answer the beer of a tradia, mammy with them, a corner, maybe a home poor, mammy sere, make a cotadia one. Papa with the Mishana, Oceana Chroma has lamentations, a children. Now, which are good morning, cry, good man, and then me a bad morning. More good morning, and you're good. Namaste, and come on, cry. No be shower or the city shower. Ma we diemu every and the apa. If a positive energy. Now watching 1 year once will be a ben. In life, your thoughts can engineer positive vibrations or negative vibrations. Choose to attract positivity by being positive yourself. What do I say? Adwina wodwin no. Me endimu me sefata. And say many Paul, me people asem no. Em say Philippians 4:8 wo. O say ne edimu. De sefata. De ejina wodoso. De hutwa. Say nyoma we na me bobo ho ma dwen so. Whatever things are pure. Whatever things are lovely. Whatever things are just. Whatever things are of good reports. Think about these things. Oh no, Paul, or a psychologist too. And nyoma wo dwen ho no e na Kenya wonna no. Na djuma me entwa eka me dem nyanka me ko. We dem no abo san untimi nya djuma no. Oba ben makofa ni oba he ne bi wonno no. Ma anigye enware wabrabo anapa. Na awia no be fe ayede. Ma ensempa eni Nkuranhyensem enware usuban no wabrabo adwene mu. Na woda no so be sane ayesa. As you think, so shall your day be. And think best thoughts. Think excellent thoughts. And think discipline. And focus on today. And then who abrabo bi abebo. Sianse anapebia so ya wa asrekere ho. Uni abonte obi nka se be wabodam. Peside bi na sere. Me hwe o sere ba me hwe. O sere untimi sere. Sere. Wahunu. Peside bi na sere ne dey. Na ebe Kenya nsuo bi omu a ebe Kenya we de na yedi adware wo. Wo so anape wamuna na Ghana edion na bayire crab edion na entos efa ho ban. Adina koyefo ni bia. Hwe jaise obosobo ebobo na peside bi sere. Wo sere ababo no bebukan. Umuna so bebukan. Menna a wo me atumifo bi o se kofie. Wo de ani gye ayere ma wo. Na wo de abufo so kogye ayere ma wo. Na awieye no be kire ni abenya. Wo de ani gye a wo gye ani gye so di bubrapa. Na wo de abufo so gye na nkwama wan hwe ye mfa ma obiom. Nti pe ni gye penyansa pe wodo peside na nhye afromu ma na ene de yaya ma wo se mo anenye ene na eda ma wo enu atwam kɔ o kira nya mai de kura wo ye ne entuma ekura wo ye ne pamatade e be fata wo ne de afa hye on de kura wo ye ne ifra no pe ya kusu be no nsia bebo ene mpo no ndu bebo anadwo no na odu abrabo aye bibi na wa kan sempa bi akire obi frobi na bi sana se na kan sempa bi kire no na ye ne ye pa bi kire obi na abrabo be dimu na aso ani na mpo ade achi a de ya ne no e be hye wo kina ama wo. What you do today will determine your tomorrow. Onyame nhira wate onyame kan wate onyame mie ne friends bi wo soro na ne nyansa ennokro wadwene na tona montio papa a wo doni enije wo aha na meja wo mama me na hema asanto ase ena eja we be kampedu ase when na production team ekura me na mpo me math sound Frank and Osmosis camera Christopher and a Prince and a lighting and obi a boy adwumadi ba me nchen MC afo nyina me dam ase wo a onya mrehwe me de me ja hara me ka se woni onyame entina